Behind the scenes, trillions are on the move. People speculate that BlackRock and other big players in the crypto space are highly affiliated with these transactions. It's not just speculation, there are concrete signs supporting this claim. Brace yourselves, as the price of Shiba Inu is poised to embark on an unpredictably thrilling journey. But I prepared the most detailed analysis that you will find anywhere on the internet. So, make sure to watch this video until the very end. And with that being said, let's get straight to the point. Disclaimer. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu witnessed an unexpected surge, with an unprecedented influx of nearly 5 trillion Shiba Inu tokens flowing into the wallets of large holders, commonly known as whales. People are speculating about the possibility that these transactions are being led by BlackRock in preparation for a crypto ETF approval, which is expected in less than 1 month. But more on that later. This surge, as disclosed by on-chain data from Into the Block's large holders inflow metric, signifies an astonishing 375% increase compared to the previous day. When analyzing the movement of Shiba Inu tokens, it is essential to highlight that only addresses holding at least 0.1% of the current Shiba Inu supply are factored into the calculations, following Into the Block's methodology. Here you should understand that factoring only addresses holding at least 0.1% of the current Shiba Inu supply into the calculations is a strategic approach. This threshold ensures that the analysis focuses on substantial holdings, filtering out addresses with relatively minor token quantities that might not significantly impact market dynamics. By concentrating on larger holders, the analysis gains insights into the behavior and decisions of significant players within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Large holders often possess more influence over market trends, and their actions can provide valuable indicators of broader market sentiment. Additionally, this methodology helps mitigate the impact of small-scale transactions or speculative activities that might distort the overall picture of Shiba Inu token movement. The 0.1% threshold ensures a focus on addresses with a meaningful stake in the cryptocurrency, offering a more accurate representation of trends that are likely to have a substantial effect on the market. Now it seems that major token holders are strategically amassing substantial volumes. However, this doesn't necessarily indicate an immediate expectation of growth. And this is where things get interesting. You might already know that it's crucial for individuals in the cryptocurrency space to exercise caution and avoid blindly following the actions of whales. While observing the movements of significant players can provide insights into market trends, it's important to recognize that their strategies may not align with individual risk tolerances or investment goals. Whales, due to their substantial holdings, can influence market sentiment and trigger reactions among smaller investors. However, their motivations and the context of their transactions may not always be transparent. Blindly following the moves of whales without a comprehensive understanding of the market dynamics and individual risk factors can lead to uninformed decisions. And all of that would make sense if not the BlackRock news I'm about to reveal next. During a recent interview, Michael Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, which is an asset management company that has over $2.5 billion in assets under their management. So we can really assume that Michael Novogratz is not a rookie when it comes to crypto and predictions. Yesterday, he shared his insights into the present state of the cryptocurrency market, focusing particularly on Bitcoin. Novogratz pointed out Bitcoin's remarkable 150% surge in value over the past year, attributing this rise to the Federal Reserve's stimulative monetary policy. Transitioning to the topic of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, Novogratz expressed confidence in the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs before January 10th. To quickly remind you, a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund is a financial product that allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements through shares traded on traditional stock exchanges. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF is significant as it facilitates mainstream adoption, provides increased liquidity, and attracts institutional investors, contributing to the maturation of the cryptocurrency market within traditional financial systems. So, Michael Novogratz highlighted the significance of this date, January 10th, citing potential legal implications, and anticipated that such approval would provide additional momentum to the already robust Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. But what does it have to do with Shiba Inu? And how are the Shiba Inu whale movements we discussed a couple of minutes ago tied to all of that? Well, let's find out. So, the approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is anticipated to have a profound impact on the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Firstly, it represents a significant step toward mainstream acceptance and adoption of Bitcoin as a legitimate investment asset class. This regulatory approval is likely to attract institutional investors who were previously hesitant to enter the cryptocurrency market due to regulatory uncertainties. The surge in demand from institutional investors, coupled with the increased accessibility of Bitcoin through an ETF, is expected to drive a substantial influx of capital into the Bitcoin market. As Bitcoin experiences heightened demand, its price is likely to experience significant upward momentum, potentially reaching levels that may be characterized as a crazy surge. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency market often observes a phenomenon where the prices of other altcoins, such as Shiba Inu, closely follow the movements of Bitcoin. This trend is commonly referred to as Bitcoin dominance. As Bitcoin garners attention and experiences price appreciation, investors may diversify their cryptocurrency portfolios by exploring alternative digital assets. The increased overall market interest and investment activity tend to positively impact not only Bitcoin, but also other major altcoins, such as Shiba Inu, leading to a broader surge in the entire cryptocurrency market. And this is what you should understand. The companies offering Bitcoin ETFs generate a significant portion of their income through the fees associated with buying and selling the ETF shares. If the anticipated demand for a Bitcoin ETF materializes as expected, these asset management firms have a compelling incentive to explore additional cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Diversifying their offerings to include a range of cryptocurrencies allows them to capture a broader market and attract investors interested in various digital assets. Expanding the ETF offerings to include other cryptocurrencies, for example, Shiba Inu, aligns with the growing diversity in investor preferences within the cryptocurrency space. Investors seeking exposure to different blockchain projects and tokens may find value in a diversified cryptocurrency ETF portfolio. Moreover, the inclusion of other cryptocurrencies alongside Bitcoin can potentially attract a wider investor base, leading to increased trading activity and, consequently, higher fee revenue for the asset management firms. And alright, while all of that makes sense, the question still stays the same. What do the recent Shiba Inu whale movements have to do with all of it? Well, let me explain. Returning to the Shiba Inu whale activities discussed earlier, there's a prevailing anticipation within the Shiba community that these notable whale movements are strategic preparations for a potential ETF approval, expected in less than a month. The speculation revolves around the idea that these whales are strategically accumulating Shiba Inu tokens before the anticipated ETF approval, as they foresee the potential for increased demand and price appreciation. The community speculates that these whales aim to secure cheap tokens ahead of the ETF approval, positioning themselves advantageously before any potential surge in Shiba Inu's value. And if you have been subscribed to this channel for quite some time, you should already be aware of the significant updates the Shiba Inu project is preparing for us in the near future. Therefore, accumulating some Shiba Inu while it's at this affordable price might be a strategic move. However, it's important not to interpret this as financial advice. Make sure to conduct your own research. If you remember, Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, recently made a huge announcement about revolutionizing the whole internet space, while leaving a tweet that reads, "To truly understand why today's announcement is so important, one must ask, what is Web 3? I guess a better question is, what is the promise of Web 3? This is a clear reference to a decentralization aspect that we lack today in the current internet space. And Shiba Inu lead developer comes as a pioneer in transforming the entire internet space to a completely new place. The transition to Web 3 represents a shift towards a decentralized internet, where users have greater control over their data and interactions. In Web 3, blockchain technology underpins various applications, enabling transparent, trustless transactions and fostering a more equitable digital ecosystem. This new internet paradigm prioritizes user privacy, data ownership, and interoperability, challenging the centralized models of Web 1 and Web 2. As a result, Web 3 promises increased security, reduced reliance on intermediaries, and the empowerment of users to engage in decentralized applications, cryptocurrencies, and peer-to-peer interactions. I've uncovered this groundbreaking project by Shiba Inu's lead developer in my previous videos, so make sure to check them out by clicking on the video you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.